Welcome to my lecture on political culture. I'm Nazrana Sheikh, Assistant Professor from Kamal College, Nuvei, Goa. In this lecture of mine, you will understand meaning of political culture, components of political culture, factors that mold political culture of a country. At the end of the lecture, you will be able to understand the meaning of political culture, comprehend the components of political culture, and describes the factors that mold political culture. Now let us understand what is political culture. Post-World War II period witnessed the rise of a new approach to the study of political science, which gave birth to a large number of new concepts like the political system, political culture, political socialization, political modernization, and political development, and so on. To know the working of any political system, it is necessary to know the political culture of the nation. Political culture is the sum total of beliefs, attitudes, values, and behavior of the people towards the political system. Let us understand the meaning of political culture. The concept of political culture owes its origin to Gabriel Armand's observation that every political system is embedded in a particular pattern of orientation to political actions. Political culture, like culture in general, is a learned behavior. In a certain political community, it stands for the pattern of individual attitudes and orientation towards politics of the community among members of the polity. A political culture is composed of attitudes, beliefs, emotions, values of society that relates to the political system and to political issues. It is also defined as pattern of individual attitudes and orientations towards the politics among the members of a political system. The people of a society share a common human nature, like emotional drives, intellectual capacities, which expresses itself in the form of certain values, beliefs, and emotional attitudes, which are transmitted from one generation to another, which constitutes the political culture of that society. Certain aspects of the general culture of society are specially concerned with how government ought to be conducted and what it should try to do. This part of culture is what we call as political culture. Let us now understand components of political culture. According to Armand and Powell, the concept of political culture involves three components of individual orientations. First, cognitive orientations means knowledge of and belief about the political system. Second, affective orientation means feeling of attachment, involvement, rejection, and the like about the political system. Third, evaluative orientations means judgment and opinions about political objects, which usually involve applying value standards to political objects and events. People have values, beliefs, and emotional attitudes of the people towards the political system. People in general have certain political values. For example, like elections should be held periodically, and elections should be free and fair manner. Closely linked with political values is the component of political beliefs about the actual behavior of men and countries. This includes certain norms as that adult population of a country has a right to take part in the politics of a country. Finally, we have component of emotional attitudes, that is the tone and temper of the people. Factors which mold political culture. Three factors that constitute the foundations of political culture are, according to Lucian Pye, quote, political culture is shaped by historical experiences of a country as also by the private personal experiences of the individuals. It is because the individual is first member of society and then of a polity. Political culture is gradually built on the cumulative orientations of the people towards the political processes. Each generation inherits attitudes and beliefs towards the politics, partly from earlier generation, and partly as a reaction to ongoing politics. In other words, political culture is a product of learning process and the actual experiences of the people. A study of history offers ample evidence to prove the continuity or discontinuity of a political system behind which the foundations of political culture can well be found out. History, you see, plays an important role in the making and growth of political culture. Historical events influence in big way in shaping of political culture. For example, French political culture bears a deep impact on French Revolution and the Declaration of Rights of Men and Citizens. Similarly, the American Declaration of Independence, the War of Independence, and the Civil War of mid-19th century exercised a big influence on American political culture. The third is our own experience that Indian political culture bears the influence of events of freedom struggle and the contact with Western civilization and culture. As such, the political culture of each society is greatly influenced by the history of the nation. Second, political continuity or discontinuity. The continuity or discontinuity of a political system determines the nature of political culture. Continuity of political culture helps the evolution of a participant political culture and secures the linkage between the past and the present. For example, you take the example of Great Britain. The importance of political continuity in a country like Britain lies in the fact that the older values have been allowed to merge with modern attitudes, undisturbed by violent internal strife or domination by foreign power. Political culture of colonial countries had an impact upon the fate of colonies as well. Thus, while the Indians learned the values of parliamentary democracy, the people of Algeria and Vietnam learned from France the lessons of insurrectionary struggle. Geography. Geographical location has its own part in playing in the role of political culture. Favorable location has helped Britain to meet successfully foreign invasion and also from massive influx of foreign races that could have created the problem of ethnic differences. Small size has helped Britain to maintain its continuity with political traditions. The vast size and diversities have helped Americans to accept the values of equality and freedom for all. Different from this is the limitless frontiers of a country like India, which opened the ways for the foreigners to invade and even stay, with the result that we developed the values of independent egalitarianism in the midst of sharp ethnic differences. Socio-economic development. Socio-economic factors always play a deterministic role in laying down the foundations of the political culture and in securing a change in the orientation of the people towards political objects and actions. Levels of poverty, employment, urbanization, literacy, etc. play a leading role in shaping the political culture of a society. A predominantly urban industrial society is more complex society, putting a premium on rapid communication. Educational standards are higher, groups proliferate, and participation in the decision-making process is by necessity wider. Rural society, you see, are not geared to change and innovation. And these societies have predominantly peasant population and are more conservative. Developments in the field of science and technology have the impact on the growth of agriculture and industry. It also has its impact on the process of transport and communication, migration, revolution, and warfare. All these factors in turn lead to changes in political values and beliefs of the people. Increasing urbanization and the rise of big metropolis cities always lead to intermingling of people with different values and orientations. These mixtures always play a big role in bringing about changes in the political culture. Ideological factor. The concept of political culture actually refers to orientations, cognitive, affective, and evaluative, towards political objects and actions. These orientations are greatly influenced by the ideology or ideologies that are popular with the people. As a set of principles offering an explanation of a given phenomena or even to a life in a society, an ideology plays an important role in forming and changing people's values, commitments, and orientations. It influences the cognitive, affective, and evaluative orientation of the people towards political objects and actions. Ideology of Marxism determined the nature of political cultures of several states which later on adopted socialism. Influence of liberal ideology has been instrumental in changing the orientation of the people of socialist states towards their political system. Indian political culture bears the impact of the ideology of liberal democratic socialism. All these factors are, in the main, determinants of political culture. Together, these factors provide foundations to a political culture of a society. Every study of the political culture must involve a study of all these determinants. For further understanding of the topics, please refer to following online and offline resources. Thank you, learners.